Today I'm going to show you how to change the light bulbs on a 2002 Volkswagen Passat. So this one, the front driver's side is out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull off these plastic pieces out of the way. So all you have to do is reach behind here. There's going to be a little tab. You can just like lift it out of the way and then it just pops up. Then there's another tab back here. You just lift it out of the way. So the tabs I'm talking about is going to be this. So when you reach back here, you pull this one up or pull it this way, and then you pull this one out also. It comes right off. Then what you're going to do now, this is going to be the low beam. So we're just going to take the plastic off here, our dust cover, and which will reveal the H7 bulb. So now, as you can see, here's the bulb, or actually the back end of the bulb. What you're going to do is you're just going to spin it counterclockwise, which means you twist it this way, and then once you you can spin it like a little bit counterclockwise, and what it'll do, it'll just come off this little clip, and you'll be able to take it out. Since this one is burnt already, you know, it's okay, but the new bulbs, you don't want to touch it with your fingers, because you don't want to touch it with your fingers because the grease or the oil from your finger will burn out the bulbs. And if you do touch it with your fingers, make sure to clean the bulb with rubbing alcohol. So here's what it looks like. All you have to do is pull the light bulb off there. Just pull it straight out. When you're pulling apart, just be careful. This aluminum bracket down here, try not to bend that. Now when you're trying to pull the light bulb apart, what you're going to do is hold on to this black piece and this aluminum piece up here. Try not to touch this aluminum bracket here, because that's what holds the light bulb still. So hold on to this and the plastic piece and try to pry it apart. This one's a little bit hard, so you know, just wiggle it back and forth until it comes out. So now this is what it looks like after we take the light bulb off. Again, H7 light bulb. If you notice here on the bracket, there's a little tab that's on this right here. That is where this tab on this light bulb goes. So all you can do is press it down, and then that's it. Try not to touch the light bulb. Wear gloves if you can. So if you do touch it with your finger, again, clean the bulb with some rubbing alcohol. Now this is what it should look like. There's this little tab right there. It's on that side. And this is the bracket sticks up. It could only fit one way, so it's hard to get it wrong. So to put it back, remember, you're gonna push it in and spin it clockwise. Just remember there's this little tab here, so the tab should go left and right, and then you spin it counterclockwise, and it should sit very flat. Then you just put the dust cover back on. And this one should snap, this cover should snap right in. And then let's test the headlight.